It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Should you avoid contact if the breakup was your fault? When a relationship ends due to mistakes, the path forward can be fraught with confusion and guilt. Deciding whether to remain silent or actively seek reconciliation requires careful consideration. Today's video discusses strategies for effectively managing post-breakup dynamics, including the nuances of apologizing, the decision to go no contact, and the importance of demonstrating real change. 1. The importance of apologizing in a timely manner. A genuine apology immediately after acknowledging your role in a breakup is crucial if you truly have anything to apologize for. It's the first step toward healing and shows your ex that you're aware of your mistakes and that you're sorry. If you haven't truly done anything serious enough to warrant an apology, doing so will likely reduce the attraction you feel for your ex. Effectively apologizing involves more than simply saying, "I'm sorry." Sincerity and clarity should prevail, acknowledging the harm caused and outlining clear steps you will take to avoid repeating the same behaviors. 2. Apologies as a tool for reconciliation, not an excuse for contact. After a breakup, particularly one in which you may have been at fault, the impulse to reach out, apologize, and try to quickly fix things is a natural human reaction. However, using apologies as a mere excuse to make contact can backfire and can also significantly diminish your ex's attraction to you. Here's why understanding the impact of this behavior is crucial. 3. The psychological impact on attraction. Attraction isn't based solely on physical appearance or shared interests, it also relies heavily on respect and emotional perception. When someone repeatedly uses apologies to initiate contact, it can give the impression of neediness or desperation. These traits are often unattractive because they indicate emotional dependency and a lack of self-sufficiency. Excessive apologies, especially when perceived as an attention-seeking tactic, can significantly diminish your ex's perceived self-worth. 4. The importance of genuine apologies. A genuine apology has several components. It acknowledges the mistake, expresses sincere regret, offers a solution or way to repair the harm caused, and commits to not repeating the behavior. When apologies are used solely as a means of getting closer to the other person, they lack these elements, particularly a commitment to change. This can lead to a cycle of repeatedly apologizing for the same issues without any real resolution, which can further frustrate your ex and cause them to withdraw. 5. Implementing no contact. A strategic pause. No contact doesn't just mean cutting off communication, it's about giving both parties space to reflect and heal. This can be particularly effective if you are at fault, as it allows your ex to see that you respect their feelings and autonomy. The no contact period can lead to personal growth and reflection for both you and your ex. It offers a break from the emotional turmoil of the relationship, allowing for clearer thinking and decision-making. 6. Actions, not words, after apologizing are critical. Demonstrating change through consistent behavior is key to potentially repairing a damaged relationship. Consistency is key. Engage in activities that reflect your commitment to change, such as therapy, counseling, or self-help efforts. Let these actions speak to your dedication to improving. Make your changes visible in ways your ex can naturally observe. This could be done through mutual friends during necessary communications if no contact isn't possible. 7. Communicate after a breakup. If you decide to maintain communication, it should be strategic and respectful, aimed at slowly rebuilding trust without overwhelming your ex. Keep any necessary interactions lighthearted and positive. Move away from past conflicts or anything that could trigger negative emotions. Let's focus instead on constructive and supportive dialogue. Listen and respond. Show that you're listening to their needs and concerns. This can help rebuild trust and demonstrate that you're committed to changing the behaviors that led to the breakup. 8. Know when to move on. Recognizing when to back down and walk away is crucial for both your well-being and that of your ex. Continuing to push for reconciliation against their wishes can be damaging and counterproductive. Accept their decision. If your ex decides not to reconcile, accepting this decision gracefully demonstrates maturity and respect for their feelings. It's critical to move forward without bitterness, applying the lessons learned to future relationships. Whether or not the relationship resumes, use this experience as an opportunity for growth. Reflect on what you've learned from the situation and how you can become a better partner in the future. Getting over a breakup when you're at fault is undoubtedly challenging. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, We keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.